What is going on, guys? We're back in the action, back with the little Ricky. He got skunked all morning.
We got a new kayak.
He got a new kayak and a Sin, and we're at a Spillway today. Very different change of scenery. I don't like spillways, especially this one because it's full of rocks, always loose stuff. But we know there's fish in here and there's good bass in here, so we're gonna give it a shot, and hopefully Ricky catches an actual PB on our scale with his new kayak. That thing is legit, so let's get out. It's such a cool view, guys. Kayaking up this spillway, just knowing if they opened up those floodgates, we would be in big trouble. But oh, that felt like a fish. But it might have been rocks. Nice. Ricky got the first fish. What is it? What'd you catch? What kind of fish? Ricky caught a gar, first fish. It looks like a pretty big fish. We'll get over there and check them out. Luckily we got the trolling motor, so. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Hold on, I'm coming. Oh my god, dude. Wait till y'all see this. Wait till y'all see this crap. All right, guys, so I was just talking about how big the gar are in here. Ricky got the first fish. Yeah, take him over there. What kind of line you have?
50-pound braid.
Okay, so he's on 50-pound braid. He should be fine. But he's hooked up to like a, what, 3-footer, 4-footer? How long is that gar, you think?
He's an alligator. He's about
5? About 5-foot gar. He is hooked up to. First fish. Is that the jig?
Yup, sadly.
Oh my gosh. Paddle to the bank and fight him. You want me to take your rod? Or can you get there? I wish I could push you somehow. All right, guys. So Ricky's making his way to the bank so we can land this gar.
At least in my dad.
It's a giant. Will you get a weight on him?
No. Or you can do it. I'm not doing that.
I got grippers now.
Oh, okay. You can still do it though.
Dude, I'm kind of scared.
Oh, God. Don't help me, Francisco. He's running.
All right, guys. So now the fight commences. What do we got, Ricky? A jig, a hybrid jig, a Guggen heavy, extra heavy rod. Oh my gosh.
I didn't snag him. Oh my gosh, bro.
Did you snag him?
No, maybe not.
Is he just wrapped in it?
I think he might just, yeah. I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Ooh,
You're gonna have to
you know what I
tire him
really
out.
wanna do?
Did y'all see that fish? I don't even
Yeah.
think I seen it.
You know what I really wanna do?
Eat it?
I've been. Oh, it's pulling.
Is he taking drag?
Gosh. Bro, there's people over there. Like,
Ricky said this is the biggest fish he's ever caught. It's the biggest fish you ever caught?
definitely.
Dang.
It's not the funnest fish I've ever caught. Definitely the biggest.
Taking away all our fishing time.
I caught a gar this size on
Yeah.
that spinning reel
I hope we never catch a gar, or I don't.
on 8-pound line.
If I catch something like that on fluoro, I'm snapping off.
I caught one of these on 8-pound line.
And fought
Or
it?
12-pound on the spinning reel.
And fought him?
Yeah. It took forever though.
Oh my
And it was a
god.
long nose, so I didn't fight it.
All right, guys, so we'll check back in a second. I'm not. All right, guys. We got him beached. Oh my gosh, it is a long nose. We're gonna have to get a measurement on this. It could be a record. Oh, yeah.
That's for sure.
Oh, the line gave out, Ricky. The line gave out. The line gave out.
But why are you standing next to it?
I'm trying to keep him going in the water. Oh, fuck, you got him in the mouth. All right, guys, look at this gar.
I got him in the mouth?
Yeah, he's in the mouth.
Gosh.
It's a long nose gar. I'm gonna try to get his hybrid jig because he's freaking out.
I have a big one.
Guys, look at this gar. Do you have a tape measure?
I have a measure.
Guys, I don't know how y'all fish with these things on purpose. got the jig. That's all we wanted. Look at this gar, dude. Oh my gosh.
Thankfully, my Guggen rod has a measure on it.
All right, we're gonna try to measure this dude. He's fucking huge. All right, guys, we got the fish straight. We're gonna see how big he is with this Guggen rod, because it's from
definitely over 21 feet.
Is it from handle to? We'll just see where he's at from the end of his tail. All right, so he's about
To that one guy.
He's about to this guide right here.
Fourth guy.
Fourth guide. So we're gonna measure that later and find out how big he is. Ricky, what do you think about your catch?
Hold on. Let me pose next to him.
Get down there with him.
I will. Come sit over here.
I got a good view right here. Giant gar. Snap. All right, man, get him in the water. I did get I just got a picture. Look at this gar, guys. All right, guys, we're about to release him back into the wild. Freaking dinosaur, guys.
I love the purple on it.
Yeah, I just saw that. Super slick.
Are you ready? Oh, he's doing my feet.
Look at that. Look at that freaking fish, dude. And then he's gone to bite another jig. Let's get back in the water and catch some real fish. All right, guys. So like I said, that's all we came out here because we knew that Ricky could at least finally get a fish on, because he's literally been fishing all day. And he catches that giant gar. Fun fight, Ricky? He admitted to me off camera that he was scared when it swam under his kayak. He thought he was gar food. No, he wasn't that scared, but he definitely said that it wasn't a comfortable situation to have that big of a fish hooked on, being on a kayak, which I can understand completely, because I would be terrified. But let's get back up here, catch one. Throwing the old trusty rattle trap, guys. Usually he's good for producing fish everywhere. Multiple species. Dang, something just knocked the crap out of it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got one. I think it's a gar. I hope not, dude. I do not want to lose this rattle trap. I'm hooked up to something, guys. Yeah, it's running weird. What is it? Oh, a drum. It's a drumfish. Oh, he came off. Dang, guys, I just missed a drum. He was fighting so good. I didn't want to break off my rattle trap, so I was trying to let him fight. He came off. Darn it. At least we saw him though. The swim bait that looks like a real fish. Looks like a live target deal or something. I'm trying to come up so I can grab it. Don't let him break you off. Oh, he's big as fuck. He's pretty decent. Oh my gosh. Chill, chill, chill. Oh, are you gonna splash me in the face? Shit, almost had him. Look at this grinnell.
Is that a good
Oh. All right, guys, Ricky's first bowfin. This is gonna be a Ricky video.
Sheesh.
First bowfin, nice one.
Did you get pictures here?
Oh no. Can't see your face. Got it. Good fish, man. That was a really good one.
We was out fishing who today?
Freaking splashed water all up in my grill. Good job, Ricky. All right, guys. So I'm not having any luck at all, other than that one drum that I caught that got off. Ricky's caught 2 fish, one being a big alligator gar, and the other being a grinnell bowfin mudfish. So not a total waste. He doesn't get to go fishing a lot on his kayak, so I'm glad that I was able to go with him on his first time out with the new one, and he actually got on some fun fish. First fish for him with the bowfin, and by far his biggest fish of all time with the gar. So good day all in all. Spillway fishing is a lot different than what I'm used to, but this is definitely not gonna be the last time we do it. We're just losing daylight, so I'm gonna go ahead and check us out, and we will catch y'all in the next one. Y'all know the deal. Like, share, subscribe. Don't sleep. See you on the next one. All right, guys. Visibility 0. Fish 0. Last ditch effort. Back up here by this bridge. Trying to catch one on the big bass spinner. No skunk for me, boys. I got some. It's a bass. I caught a bass. Ricky, I got a bass. 20 pounder. 12 pounder. Sheesh. All right, guys. So we're battling through the night, and I caught a largemouth. I caught our first largemouth. Yeah. Little 2. Little 2 pounder. On the big bass spinner, guys.